Danielle with WTI, and this juicer machine bundle from QCen has reignited my passion for making my own fruit juices again. There are so many things I love about this juicer, the main thing being that it makes juicing so easy. I'm gonna tell you right now, I hate straining anything, especially juice. But with this machine, it separates the pulp for me already, and it ensures I'm getting all that tasty juice out. And trust me, I got a lot of juice out. Another way it makes things easy is the 3-inch wide opening that allows me to add whole fruits without having to cut everything up. It's nice and compact, so I can even leave it on my counter, which is quite small to be honest, and still have plenty of room. Another great feature that I thought was so cool was the fact that it had these tiny little suction cups at the bottom so that the machine doesn't fall over or move while you're using it. And I thought that was great. I've never seen that in another appliance. Now let me tell you, if you're worried about cleaning, don't be. Once I got all the pulp out, I literally could rinse everything out. They also provide this little brush that worked great for cleaning the strainer and the blades. This bundle comes with 6 glass bottles, so I don't have to worry about where to store my juice. I love that they're made of glass because I can keep reusing them, and they're also leak-free so I can store them laying down if I needed to. I've fallen in love all over again with juicing because of this machine, and I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.